Hey, this is Don. I'm in my first generation Chevy Volt. It's my backup vehicle. I normally drive a Nissan Cube, big roomy wagon type vehicle. But last night a dog, a service animal, pooped in my Nissan Cube. This car right here is a luxury vehicle, so it's got leather seats, and the Nissan Cube that I regularly do ride share with has cloth seats, and a dog pooped on my cloth seats. So it's the dickens trying to get that smell out of my car. I'm working on it. Just got some supplies from the store, so we're working on getting that smell out. But in the meantime, if I do ride share today, which is Sunday, I'm going to have to use this Volt here. Now, I got paid, Uber paid me the market value for my city, which was $150. Somebody may say that's not good enough, putting you out of commission, because that was my first Saturday ride. So once that dog pooped in my car, I'm out of commission for the entire day. So I'm going to show you at the end of this video some pictures, not that you want to see poop, but I want you to know how bad it is. I reported it straight to Uber, and I'll show you my report. I'll show you maybe one or two pictures, and then I'll show you Uber's response. All right, at the end of this video.